Managing files and directories via WSFTP. This tutorial will show you how to manage files and directories via WSFTP. First, we need to connect to the server. You will need to configure WSFTP with the account information prior to attempting to connect to the server. For more information on configuring the account information, refer to the tutorial Configuring Accounts in WSFTP. Click the Connect button. Select Site Manager. Make sure your site is highlighted. Click the Connect button. First, let's change to the CGI bin directory. Double-click the directory. Now let's create a new directory. Right-click the window. Move the mouse over Operations. Select New Folder. Enter a directory name. Click the OK button. Next, let's rename the directory. Right-click the directory. Move the mouse over Operations. Select Rename. Enter a new name for the directory. Click the OK button. Next, let's move a file into the directory. By default, WSFTP does not allow files and folders to be moved. Also, directories that contain subfolders or files are not able to be deleted by default. Let's change those settings before we proceed with this demonstration. Click the Options button. Click the following checkboxes to allow moving and deletion of files and folders. Click the OK button. Now we can resume with moving the file. Right-click the file. Move the mouse over Operations. Select Move Files. Enter the destination directory. Click the OK button. Now let's check to see if the file was successfully moved. Double-click the directory. Here it is. Click the Up button to navigate back to the CGI bin directory. Next, let's set the permissions on the directory. For CGI scripts to work, both the file and the directory where the file is located have to be granted both read and execute permission for the user, the group, and all other users. Right-click the directory. Select Properties. Our directory automatically inherited the correct permissions when it was created from the parent directory. However, files that are uploaded or created will not automatically inherit permissions from the parent directory. Unfortunately, there is no option in WSFTP for recursively applying permissions for a directory to its contents. You will need to switch to the directories below it and adjust the permissions on the files and/or subdirectories as needed. Click the OK button. Finally, let's delete the directory. Right-click the directory. Move the mouse over Operations. Select Delete. Click the Yes button. The procedure for renaming, moving, and deleting individual files is also the same as it is for directories. Multiple files or directories within a directory can be selected to upload or download by holding the Control key and clicking the file or directory to add it to the selection prior to initiating a move, deletion, or change to the permissions. Congratulations! You now know how to manage files and directories via WSFTP.